Okay, these are the rocks I'm going to be sending in for the sample. This one's red and black. A lot of crystal and quartz. So that's one. Very heavy too. This one's kind of got a lot of green and copper. Okay. See how it's peppered in there? Okay. This is pure black. Looks like to be like a lot of copper ore. Pure black shale type rock almost. More of the same. I said copper. I meant silver. I'm finding a lot of silver in these things. Okay, here's some. You can just kind of see the specks of silver. This is what I'm going to be sending to the lab. Now that looks like a little piece of gold with silver right there. Yep, right in there. Where my finger is. Right in that area. It's a big old. I think the camera can really zoom in, but that's silver. I didn't even notice that earlier. Wow. Okay, here's another copper. This is all from the same vein, the Horn Silver Mine vein, or the Horn of Frisco vein. This is all green with copper. Okay. Green. There's a lot of. Looks like there's a lot of gold and silver on this sample too. Okay. Here's the red rocks where we're finding a lot of the gold. Okay, got the crystalline and the red. The redder the better. On the back we've got the iron ore oxide all blacked out. And that's kind of what she looks like there. Okay, you see that layer of silver ore? Okay, here's another good red rock here. Very red, very crystal, very shale-like. Seems to be some copper in there. This is going to be a beautiful sample here. I can't wait to get the results back on these. Highly fractured. And these were some just near the same vein, well, on the vein, but down towards the ground. A little bit of moss type stuff growing on. It's weird stuff, but it's a good indicator. It's more that red, pink, crystalline with silver in there. This appears to have a lot of silver in it too. Like granite. Very hard, very dense rock, a lot of crystalline in it. Black and gray. This is a white crystalline with the silver, the yellows and the reds. Of course, it's got the silver all throughout it. Okay. This is another crystalline rock. You can see a lot of these gold and a lot of good mineralization on this rock. A little bit of everything in there, especially in this little area here. Two different types of crystals, and then this one just got big chunks. What's going to happen with these big chunks of crystalline, where the sediment is, you're going to find big chunks of silver and gold in there. So we'll let them crush that at the lab too. So I want to get a good idea of what the entire 33-foot vein consists of. This is all in there. It's all pieces of it. Okay. More crystal. You can see where the silver would be laying down that area. More crystal with silver in it. Okay, here's some more pink and red silver crystal. It's really dark. I want to get some samples of that dark red. So this would be a very good sample for us. This one has a lot of silver in it. You see the two color variations here, where the crystalline meets the sedimentary rock. Nice little piece. We just chipped off of some of the other rocks there. Crystal red, black. And this one's got a lot of metals in it. You can just see them up in here and all around there. It's just silver and all kinds of neat stuff. This is going to be a good crystal rock. More of the same on this one. More of the same. These things are just chock full of copper and silver and gold. You can kind of see right in this area, right? It's going to be fun to get the lab result on that one. Okay, lots of copper in this one. See how green that is? Green and a lot of gold. Green and gold, copper and gold. They go hand in hand. And, This is going to be a very good specimen. Okay, look at this. This is going to be like pure silver. And a little bit of gold. See that silver right there? Yep. Nice stuff, right? Okay. Just another little sample rock. This one's going to be fun. It's a whole slab of silver right there. See that? So I thought I'd better send that one in too. More of the crystalline shell rock looking stuff here, black. Okay. So I want to get a good count because we have a lot of that stuff too. Look at all that marble mineralization down in there. The veins runneth deep. There's all kinds of shiny little stuff in there. Okay, more crystalline. You can see the gold, and the reds, and the silver. Fun little samples. This is good stuff. We're finding a lot of silver in these right here. A lot of silver. A lot of silver. You probably see some little sparkly crystals. And this is more copper and gold. Okay, they just kind of stuck together in this closet. And here's the last little piece here. Nice crystal, copper, and silver all in this one. And I was looking at some of these pieces here. See about this one because this has got that smooth, hard surface in the back. I'll send that one in. And this one here seems to have a lot of different indicators for gold, silver, and copper. That's going. That one, I'm going to leave. I already got one of those in there. And I've already got some of that in there. Do I? No, I don't have one of these. That's good. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that crystalline formation right in there. That's all silver right in there. This puppy's going. And this is that black crystals. This thing is just sparkly, sparkly. Maybe we can. I'm trying to see when it's not showing up sparkle. Let's see. Yeah, this is going too. It's got a lot of sparkle in it. This camera's not the best for showing gold and silver. And this has got a lot of gold vein in it and silver. I'm going to let them piece that one out. Look at all that. They're beautiful. All them different colors. And let's see what. Oh, this got a lot of copper in it. Look at that. Look at this green vein of copper all the way around in that band right there. And then right below it's all that gold. Alright. And then these black streaks are silver and lead. That's a lead iron. We have a lot of this. Okay, well, that's the sample that I'm going to be submitting today along with some of this right in here because there was just a bunch of gold in here and silver. So this is where I'm going to be sending off to the lab just for the first test. I want to see how this lab works, and if they're good, then we'll use them for future assays because we have about 30 veins that we can assay that are huge on our 20 acres. Okay, out.